Hey, I'm Josh with Apex Overland. I'm going to do a 10,000 mile review of our 2024 Colorado ZR2 Bison edition. I'm going to give you 5 things I like and 5 things I dislike about our truck. All right. The first thing I like is just how comfortable the truck is. So there's plenty of room in here. Everything is laid out perfectly. The ergonomics are perfect. The ride is great on and off road. It just makes a great daily driver and off-roader. The next thing is the suspension. Really love the suspension on this. The Multimatic DSSV coilovers under here are amazing. They ride great on-road and off-road. Compared with the bump stops, the hydraulic bump stop this thing has, it's amazing how well this is for a factory suspension. And our suspension dog loves it too, I guess. Number 3 are the lockers. Yes, I said lockers. It has a rear locker as well as a front locker. The rear locker can even be activated in 2-wheel drive and 4 high. Front locker is only 4 low. But finding a front locker these days on an off-road truck is kind of rare. We love it. Number 4 is the amount of room, which kind of goes with comfort for the first thing, but the amount of room there just is in the back seat. There's other brands that don't have this much room. And the last one is all the AEV upgrades that just came off the showroom floor on it. That's kind of a lot of things. The front bumper that was winch capable, all I did was drop the Warn winch in it. The AEV true beadlock wheels. The sliders, while they are a ZR2 part, they're not an AEV part. It kind of completes the package. The full underside is completely covered in skids. Full AEV skids underneath, including a rear differential skid. And then lastly, the AEV rear bumper. Complete with recovery points in the rear. It's super high tuck, plus it just looks great. There are a lot of other bumpers and skids on the market, but even if I bought a base model ZR2, I would still put the AEV parts on it. They're the best looking bumpers on the market. Now the 5 things we don't like. Starting off with number 1 is the rear view mirror. It's a $60,000 truck and we had to put a wolf box in it because it's just the regular mirror. And with the big 35 stacked up in the bed from factory, you can't see anything out of the rear view mirror. So we added a wolf box, so now we can see. And while we're on the interior, the phone charger, the wireless phone charger, it's very hit or miss whether it works or not. I put a piece of foam in the back, so it does help it a little bit. While there is a recall / TSP for it, or TSB for it, fighting the dealer to get that actually changed out has been a hassle. And back to the interior again, you have to go back to the 90s and clip your garage door opener to the sun visor because there's no home link button built into the mirror or even the overhead console. Number 4 is the aluminum drive shaft right here. This is the off-road model. Aluminum drive shafts are not good off-roading. Yeah, so while GM Performance does make a steel one that you can buy from them, that is a much better one, just throwing that on here from the factory, I think would have been a better option. Yeah, there's nothing really under here that I don't like. So, kind of nitpicking would be, it's hard to see your winch line with this bumper. You don't know if it's stacking over itself. They did add a little cover that you can pop off so you can see in there and see your winch line, but it is kind of nitpicking it. So I would say number 5 of things I don't like are finding things I don't like. So overall, after 10,000 miles, would I buy it again? Absolutely. It's been great. It's done phenomenal off-road. I average 17 to 22 miles a gallon, which is kind of crazy for an off-road truck as a daily driver. Best value for money in the market, I think, and we haven't had any problems out of it. It's been an awesome truck. I love it. I'd buy it again. Thanks for watching.